heavy.
It has so many pockets, I don't know where to start. You can tie here something which is loose.
Hard shell, top pocket, great place for my Osmo Pocket.
I put my camera up here to give you guys a better view. I don't want to open it all the way down because I want to show you guys the effective way of having these loops.
For example, if you are carrying a camera and you don't want to open all the pockets, you just want to open this won't fall, and you can
Take out your DSLR camera.
otherwise if you need more access you can open these loops and zip it down. Now this is all yours. Again, it has the support, it has that zips.
This pocket is good for carrying documents, cables or loose things which is valuable but you don't want to lose in the bag.
I won't say you keep your tablet here because this pocket tends to bend down.
We have a mesh pocket here to keep your ND filters or anything that you want to see before taking it out.
Now zip it down. All your 5 lenses in fact, with camera body here, and yeah, one more mesh for your small cards. Everything customizable, you can customize it according to your needs. How many lenses you have, how many camera bodies you have. Yes, you can carry multiple camera bodies if you want, it's up to you. And the padding is very good. They give you a rain cover, although this material itself is a water resistance. It's not fully waterproof but it is water resistance. Rain cover, and it's all good. Anyways, let's go to next pocket. The small one here for your keys, wallet or something, anything that you need handy. The big pocket.
Again, we have a mesh pocket here to keep your small belongings. You can keep your pen, cards, lens cleaner or anything.
This is the pocket which makes this bag a really special. You open it and you got another bag. See, the belt is removable, but you got here another camera bag for your cards, shoulder strap, now you're good to go carrying one camera kit, one camera with 3 lenses. For example, you're traveling somewhere, all your stuffs are there, you don't want to carry all the things to your hiking trip or something, you can simply carry this and keep this bag in your car. This is really helpful, handy. Another good point is it gives you some extra paddings. You can design it accordingly, you can design it here as well. It's all up to you. Let's come to the sides. This one is your obviously your water bottle. You can keep any water bottle of any size, and this one is to tie up your tripod. The good thing is it has a little pocket, so you can actually put the one of the legs of your tripod here, going from this through this, and if you have a longer tripod you can even tie it up with the help of this. Same thing here, there's no pocket, only one side pocket, but still you can tie up your tripod of any size. And same here. Now let's come to the back pocket. There's a hidden back pocket here for your laptop. This one is for your 15.5-inch laptop. Easily velcro, easy zip. One more thing, if you open it from this side, you can also access your laptop from here. Same thing. You can select your size, small, medium, large. Nice padding. Waist strap. We have pockets, zip pockets from both sides. You can carry your coins or maybe camera lens cap or anything you find you need handy. They also give you 2 separate caravengers to carry something. These are removable. If you don't want them, you can keep them in the storage in the same bag, anywhere. It has lots of pockets. And yeah, this one is your chest strap, waist strap. That's it. So guys, overall this looks very promising, very tough. It should serve all the purpose. The reason I was looking for this bag online was the main key thing I needed for this bag is it has to be waterproof. It should carry all my gears. No matter what gear I am carrying it out with me, it should carry everything inside. So let me put all my gears inside and I will go out and make a video. I will give you a thorough review. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will make more videos of product reviews, unboxing and whatnot. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.